Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix Steam slow download speed. So if you are downloading a game on your Steam and if it's too slow and you want to fix that. So to fix that, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. Now in the top left corner you will find a Steam icon. Just tap on it, and from there you just have to tap on settings. And inside your settings you will find downloads. Just tap on downloads, and inside the downloads you will find a bunch of options. So from here, what you have to do is just simply select your download region. So this will automatically select the closest region that you are in. So it will select the closest server, which will determine your download speed. So your server determines your download speed. So if you are in a wrong server, then it might cause an issue. Then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then change it to your closest server. And after changing it to your server, it will fix the problem. So just simply go ahead and then check some different servers. But if that did not fix the problem, then you just have to go ahead and then change to some other servers. And after changing your servers, it should fix the problem. So this was the first one, and the second one is limit download speed. So if you have turned on this option, make sure that it's turned off. So if it's turned on, then it will limit your download speed. Make sure that it's turned on so it will not limit any download speed. And by doing this, it should fix the problem. So you should not schedule any auto updates. You should not allow download during gameplay. So if you're playing a FPS game or a one-person shooting game, then you can just turn it on because it will not take too many resources in your device. But if you are not, then you just have to make sure that it's turned on. So if it's turned on, then it will affect your gameplay and your download speed. Make sure that it's turned off. So after turning it off, just scroll down and you will find clear download cache. Make sure that you have cleared your download cache. So your download cache might be too much and you just have to clear it. And after clearing your download cache, you should fix the problem. So after clearing your cache, you just have to shut down your Steam and then reopen it. And after opening it, just simply check if this fixed the problem. So this should fix the problem. So just go ahead and then try to install any games, and you will find that your download speed has been improved. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Steam slow download speed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.